Next, let's take a look at the steps to prepare this low-calorie delicacy. Mix 200 g of chicken with 3 g of black pepper, 10 ml of cooking wine, and 5 g of starch until well combined. Marinate for 3 hours. Next step, prepare the konjac noodles. Rinse 100 g of konjac noodles with cold water, drain excess water, and set aside. Passion fruit 2, scoop out the juice and set aside. Pour 15 ml of cooking oil into the pan, add 20 g of garlic and 10 g of ginger slices, stir fry. Next, add the marinated 200 g of chicken into the pan and stir fry. Stir-fry the chicken until the surface is slightly brown, then add tomatoes and passion fruit to the pan. Next, pour 300 ml of water and 3 g of spices into the pot, cover it, and simmer for 10 minutes. Add 100 g konjac noodles to the pot, along with 2 g of salt. Stir well, and you can enjoy this delicious dish.